Concept development, refining your creative vision. Concept development is an essential part of the creative process that enables artists, designers, and creatives to refine their creative vision and bring their ideas to life. Concept development involves defining and refining ideas and turning them into tangible products that resonate with a target audience. It involves examining the creative process, defining the audience, examining competitors and trends, among other things. Concept development process. Concept development is a creative process that involves several stages. The stages may vary depending on the project, but the essential steps include: 1. Defining the problem. The first step in any concept development process is to identify the core problem or challenge that the project seeks to solve. This could be a design challenge, a brand item, issue, or an advertising campaign question. 2. Audience definition. After identifying the problem, the next step is to define the target audience. Understanding the audience's goals, motivations, and behaviors can help improve the project's relevance and ensure that the final product resonates with them. 3. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is an essential aspect of concept development that helps generate ideas. It encourages free thinking and enables participants to come up with unique and relevant ideas that can be refined later in the process. 4. Ideation. This stage involves generating a broad range of ideas that can help solve the challenge or problem at hand. At this stage, no idea is wrong or bad and should be considered for possible conclusion. 5. Elimination. After the ideation stage, it is essential to eliminate ideas that are not relevant or feasible. This helps to refine the remaining ideas and focus them towards the defined problem. 6. Refinement. At this stage, the remaining ideas are refined and evaluated against the project's goals and the audience's needs. The best and possible solutions are then developed further into concept. PTS. 7. Selection. The final stage of concept development is to select the most suitable and viable concept from those that have been refined. The selected concept becomes the creative vision that will be used to develop the final product. The importance of concept development. Concept development is critical in the creative process as it helps establish a clear direction and purpose for the project. By refining ideas, we can ensure that the final product will have a consistent message and the desired impact will be reached. The development process helps minimize risks and ensures that the project meets the goals and benchmarks set. Concept development is also vital in ensuring that the final product resonates with the target audience. Understanding the audience's needs, behaviors, and motivations helps to create a relevant product that they will appreciate and utilize. Finally, concept development is a vital aspect of creating unique and memorable products. By exploring new ideas and approaches, creatives can develop products that stand out in the market, attract interest, and transform society. It is through refining creative concepts that the most innovative and successful products are developed. Factors to consider in concept development. When developing concepts, many factors need to be considered. Here are some of the most important. 1. Identifying the audience. This should be the starting point for any creative project. The target audience determines the product messaging, tone of voice, and the overall creative direction. 2. Defining the product or service. You need to be clear about what you are offering from the start. This should inform the design and creative decisions that are made throughout the development process. 3. Identifying the competition. Understand the competitive